In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit DNS on your Wix website. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust these settings, perhaps to connect a new service or manage your site's domain records, then this guide is here to help you navigate the process with ease. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the confidence to tweak your DNS settings whenever needed. So, let's dive in. First things first, we'll start by heading over to the Wix website. Make sure you are logged into your Wix account. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to click on the Settings option. This will open up a menu where all your account configurations and site settings are located. By navigating through these options, we'll find exactly what we need to adjust your DNS records. Next, in the Settings search bar, type in Domains. This will filter through the available options and bring up the domain settings more quickly. Once you see the Domains menu item appear, go ahead and click on it. The Domain Settings page is where you'll manage all aspects of your domain name, from registration details to DNS settings. Upon arriving at the Domains section, you'll notice the list of all domains associated with your Wix account. Look for the domain you wish to edit. This is where your site's DNS records are stored. Now, to find the DNS management options, you'll want to click on the three small dots next to your domain name. These dots will reveal further options, one of which will be Manage DNS Records. Clicking on Manage DNS Records will take you to the page where you can view and edit your existing DNS records. This is your go-to spot if you're changing something like an A record or adding a new SNAME. Here you have the flexibility to choose what actions you want to perform, depending on your needs, be it adding, modifying, or even removing a DNS record. If your goal is to edit a record, locate the specific DNS entry you wish to adjust. The common records you might encounter include A, CNAME, MX, or TXT, among others. Once you've found the record in question, click on the Edit button. This will allow you to update the record details, such as the value and name, to match your specifications. After you've made your edits, don't forget to save your changes. It's easy to overlook this step, but saving ensures that your new settings take effect. Be aware that DNS changes can sometimes take a short while to propagate across the internet. That's it for editing your DNS records on Wix. With these instructions, you should now be equipped to update your domain settings with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and guidance.